A world's paradigm. Ever wondered why birds never sing around? Gushing winds don't make a sound. Trees losing its pride and crown. Lake rivers are scarce and dried. Fauna breathes last breath to strive. Humans fight, frustrate and die. World perishes before its time. Human race is falling down. All this can be changed. First start slowing down yourself. Then you connect thy inner self. Be humble and pray in bound. For there are greater things around. Take a lead with gentle deeds. Start somewhere, reach everywhere. Create thy world and soar. With infinity you grow. Now I observe with a pride. Birds will always sing along. Gushing river flows around. Trees now shines with green and brown. Placid ponds and lake runs deep. Flora blooms with rooted seeds. Mankind finds solace and bound. World flourishes with passing time. Humans now rise to touch divine. For this is a song of life and love, symbolized with peace of dove. Pass this word that we are the world. With love and time the light will shine. Born again in the life of a world's paradigm.